Are you looking for a personal AI assistant which can help you summarize your notes, which can help you summarize a research paper or a book, and also help you write better? Then Notebook LM is the right tool for you. And the best part is it is absolutely free of cost. Hi, I am Vinod Vishwanathan, and in this video I am going to walk you through what is Notebook LM, what are its benefits, and I will also show you a detailed demonstration on how to use Notebook LM for improving your productivity. So watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Notebook LM is a Google AI powered personal research assistant where you can upload documents like PDF files, Google Docs, your personal notes, and it will help you summarize these documents. You can do question answers on top of these documents, and also you can create new content based on these documents. Unlike ChatGPT or Google Gemini, it is not going to use any public or internet based information to answer your questions. So the amount of hallucination is going to be very less. But still, if you are going to use any important documents or use a summarization for any important work, always make sure that you double check and verify the information which you are getting from it. So let's see a live demo on how it works. So let's go and search for Notebook LM, and we will go to this notebooklm.google where we have an option to start and create our first notebook. Just click on create. Here it will give you an option to upload the sources. These sources are your notes, your documents which you can upload different YouTube video links, you can upload websites, you can have a copy pasted text, or you can upload documents from Google Drive. So let me try to upload a sample security white paper which I downloaded in the past from Google. So this is for a Google Cloud security white paper which talks about what are the best practices of using security in the Google Cloud. So now I have loaded this white paper. It is able to understand what this white paper is all about, what are the information it is asking. Now I have an option to go ahead and ask details about this. For example, what is the security standard for data at rest in Google Cloud? And it is going to search for this information only within this document and provide me that information, right? So it is going to provide me all the information about how I need to store the data at rest with security. So it is going to provide all the information, and also it is providing me references within that document which I can click and I can refer the exact places or the exact wordings in the documents which it has referred and created this summary. So even if it is hallucinating or providing you wrong information, you can always go ahead and double check this information to make sure that this information is provided to you only from that document and it is not making up such information. Here I also have an option to generate an audio overview of this document. So this is a 90 page or 80 page document. If I don't want to read about it whole, I can create an audio summary of it. So it will give you like a podcast, and while traveling, while driving, you can listen to this podcast and get the summary of this document as well. You can create a briefing document out of it. You can generate a study guide. You can get the timelines of this document as to what timelines were involved in this, right? So all of these options are available to you. You also have an option to generate a mind map of this document, which is an excellent feature which gives you an end-to-end overview about this document, what are the different topics. So if you see here, it says, okay, this document is talking about infrastructure security, encryption, GCP security, application level security, and you can even drill down to each of these where it will show you more information about each of these subtopics, and based on this you will be able to understand what are all the topics which are part of this document. So Notebook LM is not just another AI chatbot. It is a powerful AI research assistant which can help you if you are a student, a professional, a content creator, or a researcher. So try it for yourself today and let me know in the comments how it helped you. I hope you found this video valuable. If yes, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such AI content. Thanks for watching and keep learning AI.